Jenna.
And my name is Ashley, and we co-own Generated Cakes, a boutique bakery located in Winnipeg, Canada. And we're here at IBIE today to do a demo and walk around and see the sights. There's so much to see here. We walked around all day yesterday. We went to the big machinery section, and we've been around the whole floor here. It's just, we're blown away by how much there is to see and do
It's
here.
just so inspiring, everything that's going on. Well, for us, I think it'll be what's new and exciting, what are people doing, what are the new trends, what are the new systems, just to meet everyone. I think it's just such a great community of people that love the same thing that you do.
There's always new innovations in baking, whether it's machinery or something more simple like packaging, so I do think there's something for everyone, and I have a feeling that's what keeps people coming back again and again.
The education here is amazing. Like the fact that you can see so many different presentations in one day and learn so much from people that you look up to is just crazy. You can't get that anywhere else.
In-person and hands-on instruction just can't be beat. Virtual is just not as good.